If we're still treating TikTok like just a content platform, we're leaving leads on the table. In 2026, TikTok is a full funnel lead machine: awareness, intent, and conversion, without leaving the app. Today, we're breaking down the exact framework we use to turn TikTok into a predictable lead pipeline. This video is for service businesses, local businesses, coaches, agencies, B2B brands, anyone who needs qualified leads. We're talking booked calls, quote requests, consultations, demos, real revenue activity. Before we touch ads or content strategy, we fix the most common leak: the profile. In 2026, people still click your profile before they convert. Our rule: a stranger should know who we help, what we do, and what to do next in 5 seconds. Here's the structure we recommend. Name field: include what we do, so we show up in search. Bio: we help who get result without pain. Pinned videos: 3 pins: who we help, proof, offer/next step. Now let's talk content. TikTok in 2026 is driven by 3 things: search behavior, storytelling, signals, watch time, saves, shares, profile taps. So we build content using this simple formula: hook, problem, proof, CTA. Let's scale this. Our favorite 2026 approaches: post content organically, identify winners, then boost the winners using Spark-style amplification so it still feels native. Now, campaign structure. TikTok recommends launching lead gen with 3 to 5 ad groups, using different targeting and creative to find the best audience. Source. And budget? TikTok's guidance is simple. Set daily budget per ad group to at least 10x expected CPA so the system can actually learn. Source. Lead generation doesn't end at the form, it starts there.